here at Southern Manufacturing on the Matsuura stand with Dave Chapman. Dave Chapman, the Managing Director, has the very first successful year and 3 days into the second one. Really exciting times, Dave.
Yeah, it's great because actually it's quite good to be back at Southern because obviously that was my first show after just becoming MD at the end of January last year. And as you said, it was a really successful year for us last year in a difficult market. I'm really looking forward to 2026. So far this year, it's great promise on our whole product range really in terms of machine tool side and on our additive business. So we're really looking forward to this year.
I'm so impressed that you've brought all these machines for everybody to see them here. But I believe that we're going to roll this over into MACH for even more exciting stuff.
Yeah, MACH, obviously, every 2 years, we really want to make a big splash. So we've got even more machines at the MACH show. So we've got 3 Matsuura machines, a Murata system up on the process flow. And then on the additive side, we're actually debut of a new machine from HP. So that's really exciting for us.